Hello President Uta and fellow Zonchans. It's great to be here in Brisbane, and on behalf of all Australian Zonchans, I invite you to join us in June 2024 for one of the most memorable conventions ever. I'm standing on Turrbal and Jagera land, and I acknowledge the traditional custodians of this land, their elders, past, present and emerging, and celebrate the strong First Nations women of this country. Our host city, Brisbane, is the capital of the state of Queensland and one of Australia's most popular tourist destinations. Brisbane is a large and cosmopolitan city centred around the Brisbane River, where you will be able to enjoy great coffee and wine at cafes, bars and amazing food at open-air restaurants. And you may also know that it has been chosen as the host city for the 2032 Olympic Games. The amazing Brisbane Convention and Exhibition Centre is consistently voted as one of the best convention venues in the world. It is located within the South Bank Parklands and Entertainment Precinct, with the Gallery of Modern Art and the Queensland Art Gallery, theatres, cinemas, the museum, fabulous facilities, all with transport at your door. The Convention Centre is a one-stop venue. All events for the Zonta Convention can be held at the one location. The Convention Centre is easily accessible to all patrons. There are many top quality accommodation options within walking distance of the Convention Centre. Apartments, self-contained units, bed and breakfast options, as well as 5-star hotels, all within a few blocks of the centre. We encourage you to bring your family members. There is so much to do and so many unique activities for them to enjoy while you are at the convention. Visit a koala sanctuary, attend an Australian rules football match, shop at a high fashion house, visit Moreton Bay, or even spend a day cruising the Brisbane River, and so much more. Australia is a safe, welcoming destination for international visitors, and June and July are the perfect months to visit, with sunny days and balmy evenings. All Australian Zonchans are looking forward to hosting their third friendly and welcoming convention. We will be organising some interesting and very different social activities, as well as some very inspiring speakers. Australia is such a special destination, and the convention team are hoping many of you will extend your stay here in 2024 with so much to see and do. So come on Zonchans, grab your Akubra hat and head down under and join International President Uta Schultz and your convention team in Brisbane, Australia. We can't wait to see you in June 2024.